Let's start mitosis. Mitosis is the process that is occurred in the somatic cells, and mitose means thread. So mitosis or mitotic cell division is also known as equational division, in which one parent cell divides to form two daughter cell. Means here it is a division in which one parent cell is divided to give two daughter cells, and the daughter cell formed are identical to each other and also to the parent cell in every respect. Means the daughter cells which we get after mitotic division, they are not identical to each other. They exactly similar or identical to the parent cell also in every respect. So this is the characteristic of mitosis. The two daughter cells, they are not only the same, but they are identical to their parent cell also. And why this division is also known as equational division, or the term given to the mitosis equational division, because the same normal chromosome number of the parent cell is maintained at each stage of mitosis. Means the same number of chromosome is maintained. The number of chromosome which is there in the parent cell, that will be maintained and continue to the daughter cell also. Means the same number of chromosome is maintained in the cell division. Now let's start interphase. Interphase is actually the resting phase. In this, no external change in chromosome is visible. So you can say this is the phase where chromosomes are not means active, or you can say means visibly no change occur in chromosome, and it's just, you can say, a preparatory phase before the cell division. Means as such no change occur in the chromosome or it's not visible, but the cell is metabolically most active, because it prepare itself for the cell division, and for the cell division we need material. Means what for the division, like the DNA material, that is genetic material, RNA, cytoplasm, this all we need in double amount, because later on this single parent cell will be divided into two daughter cell. So at this stage cell is metabolically most active, and it itself prepare for the cell division. Karyokinesis, phases of mitosis, means the nuclear division during the mitosis occur in four phases, that is prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. So these are the four phases which occur during the nuclear division. Now what are diploid and haploid cells? So as we know that the mitosis occur in the somatic cells. So somatic cells means the body cells. So in that the number of chromosome is same maintained as the parent cell. So it maintains the same number of chromosome. So that number of chromosome is actually double, and double number of chromosome is diploid. Means in somatic cell normal number of chromosomes are there, means they are diploid. Like in human body 46 chromosomes are there, so 46 are diploid, or these 46 are found in somatic cells, in body cells. But when you talk about reproductive cells or the gamete cells or the sex cells, there the meiosis division occur and the number of chromosomes are different in the daughter cell. So that is called haploid, means the number of chromosome become half, because in gametes or the sex cell, that is very important that the number of chromosomes should be half, so that at the time of fertilization they maintain the number of chromosome. Means half and half, means half of the chromosome of the egg and half of the chromosome of the sperm, you can say, or half of the chromosome of male and half of the chromosome of female sex cells combined to form zygote, and as a result it maintains the number of chromosome of the normal number of chromosome of a species.